Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix package installer keep stopping on your smartphone. So the first step you simply need to do is to open files, and you need to find the file that you download, and you need to reinstall that file, and hopefully it will solve your issue. But if you are still facing the issue, you simply need to go on to the settings, scroll down and go into the system and check for any system update, and you need to update your smartphone from here. And the third solution is you simply need to restart your smartphone, and after that you need to reinstall the apk file and your issue will be solved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.